Alright, so now that you have downloaded brackets, we're now ready to make changes to the coming soon website template. So just go and find brackets somewhere on your desktop and open it up. So once you have opened it up, click on File, then scroll down to Open Folder. And what you will need to do is find the folder that contains your website template. So mine is here in the tutorial section, coming soon. And here's the website template that I want. Click on Select Folder. Click on index.html. And what you want to do is click on the lightning icon. And you will now be able to preview your coming soon website template. So let's just make some changes to some texts. So okay, I'm gonna leave this bit alone, but what I'm gonna do instead is just change the name of company to something different. So let's just say all right, Milton Keynes Community. So what I'll do is just open up brackets. So I'm gonna close that one down. That's another project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the name of company to Milton Keynes Community. And then I'll do Control Save, or you can do File Save. So once you have done that, just click on the lightning icon again. And you will see the changes have reflected. Okay, and let's just change the company slogan as well. So let's just say something like, yeah, let's do better together. That sounds pretty good. So here, what I'll do is write better together. So better together, love forever. Oh, that sounds a bit cute. Yeah, let's just leave an exclamation mark in there. But you can just type in whatever you feel like, but that is what I want to do. And there it is. So the changes have reflected there. Okay, so the next step is for us to add in the social media icons. So at the moment, we have these four social media icons. So we got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. So I just want to add in three more. So let's just say that I want to add in LinkedIn, Snapchat, and Meetup. So to do that, just go back into brackets. And what you want to do is just copy and paste the last line, so which is a Twitter one, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So if you do Control S and go back to your browser, you'll see that you have, well, I think I have one too many. So did I say 3 more? Yep. So 3 more social media. Alright, so in order to make changes to the social media icons, we will need to go to Font Awesome, because that is where I'm currently pulling in all the icons from. So open up a new tab and type in fontawesome.io.icons. So if you just look in the description, you can click the link there as well. And you can type in the first social media you want, LinkedIn. And just copy this iClass, Control C, go back into brackets, and where you see this iClass for Twitter, just replace that with what you just copied and pasted. Do Control S, and do the same thing for the other 2 Twitter. So the next social media that I want is Snapchat. So in the search box, type in Snapchat. You can go for the circled one, you can go for the squared one, and the ghost one. I'm going for the squared one. Copy the I class again. Go back to brackets. Replace the second I tag with what you just copied. And lastly, I want Meetup. So type in Meetup. So there's only one option to select from. Click on that. And just copy the I tag again. and just replace the last one. There we go. And Control V, Control S, then just go back to the Coming Soon website, and voila, and there is all your social media. So you got your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Snapchat, and your Meetup. Okay, so now that you have all your social media icons, we got one problem that we need to address. So if you click on any of the social media, so for example, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, notice what happens? Yeah, absolutely nothing happens. So the next couple of steps is I will show you how to add links to your social media. So essentially, there's similarities in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Meetup because there's websites associated with them. But Snapchat is the only odd one out because this is the only one that exists in an app. So for a demonstration, I'll only show you how to do Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. So let's create a link to Facebook. So what you need to do is just go on facebook.com. So click on your name. And then once you're on your profile, just copy the link address. And what you want to do is you want to replace that hash with the link. So do Control S and just go back to your Coming Soon website. So click on Facebook and voila, the link should now work. But there is one problem that you may want to address. So when you click on Facebook, notice how it opened it on the same same tab as your Coming Soon website. If you want to eliminate that issue, what you want to do is just after this bit, what you want to do is just type in target equals, and when you do that, just click on blank and do Control S. So just close down that tab again and click on the lightning icon again. So now when you click on Facebook, it will open up in a new tab. And voila. And let's just do Instagram as well, which is next on the list. So if you write on Instagram and make your way to your profile. And once you guys are here, you might as well just add me. So follow me. I would appreciate that very much. So go back to brackets. So replace that hash with the link to your Instagram. Just create a few more space and type in target equals blank. Do Control S. Close these two tabs. Open up your browser. So click on the lightning icon. And voila. So if you click on Instagram, and it should open up for you. Let's just double check that Facebook still works. And voila. Facebook is working perfectly fine. So you could just do the same thing with your YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Meetup. But with Snapchat, that is completely different. And for that, I will need you to go to your phone. So once you have launched up Snapchat, what you want to do is click on the Snapchat icon. I think they call it the ghost. But anyways, click on that. So once you have clicked that button, you then want to take note of your username. So once you have taken note of your username, you then want to go back into brackets and you're going to do the following. So now that we're back on brackets, what I want you to do is just go to the Snapchat section, so which is here. And where you see the hash, I want you to delete that and type in https://www.snapchat.com/add/your username. So in my case, I will type in Yunus Mahmoud. And you also want to do target equals, and then click on the blank and Control S. So we can now go back to our browser and you can click on Snapchat. So if you were on a mobile device, what this will do instead is open up your profile page, and this will give your user the opportunity to add you. But obviously, since Snapchat doesn't have a website, you'll see this instead.